Hello, welcome to my page. If you're new to my page, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for returning. This video is an unboxing of Happy Mail that I received from Cloth and Paper with their new acrylic stamp set. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay towards the end. I'm unboxing and I'm going to utilize the stamps to see how they look on a notepad that I have from Villabeautifful and the graph sticky note that we received in the Cloth and Paper previous intention box. So hopefully you're having an awesome day. How are you doing? Do you have any plans for the upcoming holiday weekend, Memorial Day? Are you going out of town? Are you going to the beach? Are you having a cookout? You're going to family and friends? Leave them in the comments. What are you planning on doing for the weekend? I absolutely love the acrylic case that this stamp set came in. I have several stamp sets, never received them in a case like this. So this was actually set out and I said, okay, I must have this. Now, is it a need? No, it's just a want. And maybe a little FOMO with it. Yeah, they got me with the FOMO this time. So the stamp set is definitely not frugally priced, but I did utilize $20 Lux Bucks to take some money off so I can have some savings with it. So if you do have Lux Bucks or whatever, make sure you utilize those. So I think for the price tag of this item and for the size of the stamp set, the ink pad definitely should have been larger than what we received. So now that I have the ink pad open, let's go ahead and get ready to stamp. As you can see, it's very thick acrylic. So we do have individual numbers as well. I did not know that, so that was a surprise to me. So now let's get started to testing out the stamps. So for the stem size, you definitely need a larger ink pad, because with the smaller ink pad that you have to press the stamp on the ink pad multiple times, the ink is not distributed equally on the stamp. So as you can see with my second stamp, that it's not as thick or not as heavy as some, but that's what happened when you have a smaller ink pad compared, with the stamp that you're utilizing. So definitely going forward, I'll be utilizing a larger ink pad. So this is the days of the week stamps. Checklist circle stamps. So now I'm going to test out the individual stamps that came in it. I will do some of the numbers, but not all of them. I really like this dot stamp right here. So I like the check mark too. So far, I really love the individual icons. So thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch my unboxing of the stamp set. Please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts